Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today we'll be unboxing the Logitech Signature M650. This mouse comes packaged in either a recyclable box or in a clamshell package, but the contents of both packages are the same. In the box you get the mouse with a pre-installed battery, a Logibolt dongle, if your package includes it, and some user documentation. Taking a quick look around the mouse, you have a brand new magnetic scroll wheel, an LED indicator, two customizable buttons on the left, and at the back you have the power switch, pairing button, and the battery compartment. The M650 is designed with comfort and better productivity in mind, and this comes in two sizes, the M650 and the M650L, which means you can pick the perfect fit for you. We also have a dedicated M650 Left for all those who prefer a mouse with a left-handed layout. The M650 comes with a new magnetic scroll wheel which allows you to either scroll line by line with precision or to scroll super fast through lengthy pages. The M650 has Logitech's SilentTouch technology which reduces 90% of the click sounds, thereby creating a quieter environment for all those around you. You can also customize the mouse to fit your needs using the Logi Options Plus app. And as for connectivity, you can connect the M650 via Bluetooth or a Logibolt receiver. And finally, with 24 months of battery life, you can focus more on work and worry less about charging. With a comfortable design, great customization, multiple sizes, a long battery life, the Logitech Signature M650 will be the perfect companion for better productivity and comfort. If you have any questions or for more information, please feel free to reach out to us at our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.